How to install DeepSeek AI on iPhone. Let's get started. Release of DeepSeek AI, a chatbot application that quickly became the most downloaded free app on the iOS App Store in the United States, surpassing ChatGPT. The model delivers performance comparable to leading LLMs like OpenAI's GPT-4 despite being developed at a significantly lower cost and utilizing only a tenth of the computing power. To download this app, launch your App Store. Now, in the search box, type in DeepSeek AI and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, click on the option of install or get. With that, download process will start. So this way you are able to install DeepSeek AI on iPhone. After completion of its download process, you can launch it, provide your credentials and use this app. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.